Hi, this is Dr. Jeremy here at Luminous Chiropractic, and I'm speaking today with Susan Villa. And one of the reasons that she came here, there's many places to get adjusted in Petaluma for chiropractic care. What brought you to Luminous Chiropractic?
Well, first of all, chiropractic, I hadn't touched that type of thing for 40 something years. Uh, I had done kind of a strange injury and it just wasn't getting better. So I thought, well, maybe I should try a chiropractor. But then I thought, oh, do I want somebody's hands on my body if I actually broken or chipped something? So the game changer was he does x rays right here. I didn't have to make that additional appointment.
Yeah, and you did really well. You started feeling better. We're coming in weekly just for kind of maintenance tune up. And then your son's wedding happened and something happened to the knee.
Oh, gosh, yeah. The happily ever after, well, after was at 12 midnight, helping the DJ remove all his equipment on a wagon on gravel. I must have done something really bad to my knee because I was in agony.
When those type of things happen, I just kind of shut everything down and we took a look at all the bones and the joints and we got you able to stand on it sort of that night.
Sort of. It was, I tried to do all the right things. I did the ice, I did the arnica, the gel, the internal, I did the heat, and it was moving along, but I thought I should have been healing faster. I thought, oh, this is going to be surgery. Jeremy better be able to help me with this.
And you were kind of surprised, I think, that when we think chiropractic, we think back, we think spine, but my focus was really the whole body, and so we were able to get in there and work on that knee.
Yes, because at that point, I know I was favoring it. I was limping and dragging, and my back was going out, my ribs were going out, and I couldn't have got to the point to even have my knee fixed because I was doing myself an injury all over my body.
Sure, when that's out, it drives everything. Everything else shifts and gets off.
Right.
And so I suggested you after a few months, I said, let's think about adding some laser care in here. Laser can make a big difference. And you're one of those people that goes in and you research it for yourself and then you found out a lot about that.
Oh, I couldn't believe how much laser care. Now, I come from old school where a chiropractor 40 years ago was considered a hoax.
Sure.
Insurance didn't even touch it. So now with thank God with Google and seeing all the things with this red laser gun thing, I'm thinking, really, this can do it? And I saw that veterinarians are using it. Medical Association has approved it. And it wasn't invasive, which was amazing to me. It wasn't invasive. I thought, well, come on, let's give this a try now.
Right. There's no downsides. There's absolutely no side effects or downsides that we know of. And we had a really good response, especially up front. We had to kind of change it because things plateaued. But tell me a little bit about where you are now versus when we started the laser care. How's that different?
Well, the swelling was really bad. And of course, when something's swollen by the end of the day, you're just kind of giving up and thinking, what do I do next? But after each treatment, the swelling was different. It like moved around because this was my knee. And it got to the point I would have like 2, 3 hours that I forgot I had a knee, which is the way it's supposed to be. You don't remember you have knees, you just walk and do your stuff. And it just continuously got better. And I was shocked. I was absolutely shocked at the results.
Yeah. And I think, and thank you for sharing this. I think a lot of people don't know that there's help for you start thinking surgery, big medications, which always have side effects. And so knowing that we can do something chiropractically and with laser that's non-invasive is just, I think, amazing.
And when you say laser, you're thinking burning, you're thinking sci-fi, you're thinking there's no pain and it's so easy even when it's happening to you.
Right. And that combination of red light, infrared, and super
Hmm.
pulse laser, but you don't feel a thing.
No, you don't feel anything.
You just see the
But by the
results.
end of the day, you're thinking, oh, what happened to that pocket of swelling? Where did it go? And I mean, it is shocking.
It is. And I'm really happy to have it here.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for sharing.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Jeremy. Please go to him. He's wonderful.